Creator Studio helps you generate consistent images and videos in bulk, keep every scene organized, and export the complete production into a ready-made Premiere Pro timeline. The first step is to download the instructions pack from this page. Unzip the folder and upload it once to the ChatGPT or Claude project you use to prepare your videos. Continue using ChatGPT or Claude exactly as you normally do. You can still use your own workflow for niche research, script writing, creative planning, and training your AI on your visual style, characters, references, and channel rules. The instructions pack does not decide what your video should look like. It only teaches your AI how to structure and write the prompts in the correct format for Creator Studio. You still decide the visual style, pacing, number of shots, level of detail, and creative direction for every project. This gives you complete flexibility while making sure the files work correctly inside the studio. Before generating anything, connect your KIE.ai API key. This connects Creator Studio to the supported AI models using your own KIE.ai account. You only need to do this once. For every new video, prepare your final script, voiceover, and SRT subtitle file. The SRT provides the timing Creator Studio will later use to position your scenes in Premiere Pro. Give your script and SRT to ChatGPT or Claude and explain how you want the video to look. Your AI can then prepare 3 TXT files: references, images, and videos. References describe any recurring characters or visual styles. Images describe the individual shots. And videos explain how those images should move. Open your project in Creator Studio and upload each TXT file into its matching tab. The studio automatically transforms the files into individual production blocks. Start by generating and approving your references. Then continue with your images and videos. At every stage, you can choose your preferred AI model, adjust the settings, and review the estimated price before generating anything. Once your results are ready, you remain in control. Preview every image and video, adjust individual prompts, or regenerate a result without restarting the complete project. When everything is approved, open the Exports tab. Download the organized media pack and the Premiere Pro XML file. Import the XML into Premiere Pro, and your images and videos will already be positioned on the timeline using the timings from your SRT file. From here, you can make your final editing decisions, add your creative finishing touches, and publish. You keep full creative control. Import the XML into Premiere Pro, and your images and videos will already be positioned on the timeline using the timings from your SRT file. From here, you can make your final editing decisions, add your creative finishing touches, and publish. Creator Studio handles the repetitive generation, organization, and timeline preparation.